How to use layers in Photoshop. So if you look on the right side of the screen is the layers panel. If you don't see it, make sure that layers is highlighted. And over here, if you think of the image completely composed of all the layers, it's as though the very bottom layer is stacked on the bottom and you build on top of that. So I will go like this. The checkerboard means there's nothing and you're seeing just the blank background. So if I had a white background, I can highlight that or make that layer visible by clicking the eyeball next to it. And then I can make the next layer in the stack visible by clicking that. And then stacking above that, like so. So the image you see is composed of all the layers on the side. It's helpful to name your layers as you create them. If you just hit the add layer button in the bottom right here, that will add a layer and just give it a name like layer 1 or 2 or whatever number it is. If you're not careful, you can end up with documents that have all kinds of layers with different names like layer 1 copy and whatnot. So again, I suggest naming the layers. I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. Also, if you change the order of the layers in the stack, it will change how the image shows. So the two people are the very top of the stack. If I move this guy down below the clouds, you'll see that it kind of cuts him off. And if I move the beach above the clouds, you'll see all you see is the beach and the woman. And if I move the woman behind the white layer, that's all you'll see. So keeping it organized by trying to have the layers in the correct order is helpful. So if I start white background, beach, clouds, woman, man, it makes a nice image there. If that answered your Photoshop question without wasting any of your time, please like the video, and while you're down there, hit subscribe.